Good morning. I am Vijay Vadakbalkar from Freedom Influencer. I'm a registered financial consultant from IRFC US and also a practicing company secretary. Engaged in the business of educating, inspiring, empowering my customers, that is, friends like you, in a process which will ensure financial freedom, financial transformation to you and your family. Getting or regaining health if you have any challenge. And I also teach rules of success which I have learned in Brahma Vidya. Brahma Vidya Sadak Sangh Thane, of which I am a student, is engaged in the process of teaching a sadhana which involves concentration on your thoughts and your breath, which are the two vital forces God has given to human being to succeed or otherwise in his or her life. But ask yourself a question. Has anyone taught you how to breathe right or how to think right? Everyone says think positively. But has anyone taught you? If the answer to this question is no in your mind, you must join Brahma Vidya. Visit www.brahmavidya.net. I am a student of Brahma Vidya for last 12 to 13 years now, and I am very happy. I have got rid of my high BP, diabetes, thyroid problem by a practice of Brahma Vidya and changing the kind of food that I eat. Today we are going to learn on the subject of meditation. In next 7 to 8 minutes, I am going to teach you what meditation is all about. Meditation is going into silence within. We all know how the external world is. We are experiencing the external world through our senses: eyes, ears, nostrils, tongue, skin. But how about the world within you? My friends, world within you is to be experienced in a state of silence, about which we are going to learn today. So there are 4 basic rules of meditation. You must have a quiet, undisturbed place, free from noise and other distraction. Rule number 1. Rule number 2. The place selected by you should not be changed often. Preferably, it should be before an open window facing the north or east. Third rule, a steady, uniform posture, about which we'll learn in next 1 minute or so. And the fourth and the most important part of the rule is regularity in practice and fixed time of practice. That is, if you are decided to practice 10 minutes meditation in the morning at 7 o'clock and evening at 7 p.m., you must do so at the same time every day and at the same place which you have fixed. This is most important rule, fourth and most important rule. Now, let us practice meditation for next 2 to 3 minutes to know what it is all about. If I tell you 5 minutes, mango is a very sweet fruit. You will not come to know about mango anything unless and until you eat mango. So you will not come to know meditation any amount of time I talk unless you engage in meditation. So let's do so in next 3.5 minutes. Sit on the floor in the cross-legged squatting position so that legs are lowered and you can sit for a longer period with your spine absolutely straight. Place your hands on the thighs or knees, whatever is convenient, with palms facing up. Close your eyes. Next, rule number 3. Take a 3 or 4 deep breaths, and every time you exhale, relax your body. Relax your body. Relax the tension in the body. Now, watch your breath. Do not control it, just observe it. Count 10 to 1 every time you breathe in and exhale. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now if you watch your breath like this, after a while the breath becomes so smooth that you will even have difficulty in identifying inhalation and exhalation, or whether you are breathing at all. Then watch your thoughts. Next step is watch your thoughts. Just as you relax your body, relax your mind. Do not control your thoughts. Do not think not to think. Just observe like a spectator in a drama theatre. Just observe your thoughts. After a while, the mind will so calm down, like your body is. And at this stage of time, you are ready to chant the words, because at this juncture, your conscious, subconscious minds are very close. Whatever you put in subconscious will be accepted by it. And subconscious is God, my dear friends. So if you want to change your thoughts into positive, you need to engage, go into silence, like in these 4 steps as I told you, and then chant Om. Let us practice Omkar practice in the rhythm of our breath. That means as we chant Om while we exhale, your inhalation and exhalation time should be same. Don't be in a hurry to chant next Omkar. Observe. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Friends, I'm sure you must have liked this video. If you do so, please don't forget to press bell icon and the thumbs up sign, so that you and recommend to all your friends and relatives to watch these videos, as I am engaged in the process of educating, empowering, inspiring my friends and relatives to be successful, and therefore I keep on giving the videos on the subject of health, wellness, financial freedom and rules of success. So don't forget to press the bell icon so that you receive intimation of my next video on your iPhone. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.